try reverse. Here we have ourselves a 2001 Polaris Sportsman 400 4x4. It's got a good engine. The engine was redone a few years back, I guess. Transmission checks out okay, forward, neutral, reverse work. We're tearing this machine down into parts. Call Martos Motorsports, 218-844-4968. If you'd like to buy parts off this machine. Every part on this machine will be available for sale. It's a fairly clean unit. The fenders are kind of faded, but other than that, it's not bad. Tires and rims look like they hold air. They do show some wear though. The lot number on this machine is 3423A. So if you need parts, just call, give us that lot number, and we can look up the parts accordingly. Again, this is a 2001 Polaris Sportsman 400 4x4. Thanks for stopping by.